friends. So, today we are going to have a very good session regarding a platform which will be very beneficial for all of us, as in this time when everything is going into lockdown, but we still requires to be with the students all the time so that they can have each and everything through e-learning mode. So there are so many other different softwares or different sites which can help us, but I'm just going to introduce with the site. Maybe you all know about this, the one which is being delivered by the Google, that is the Google Classroom. So how to reach there? First you need to sign into your account, and then you need to go into the one of these nine dots, and then go into the Google Classroom tab and select it. Once you have selected the Google Classroom, it will take you to the classroom, and now here they will ask you that this is your email ID. You need to confirm it. So I am doing that, and once you have confirmed it, then you need to click on this addition button. This is for the class. Either you want to join any class or you are going to create any class. This is for the those persons who is working under their own email ID. Keep in mind, if you are in an organization, as all the organization they have the Gmail account under G Suite. So if you are having any email ID which is working under G Suite, you will not be able to sign in as a teacher. You always be going to sign in into as a student until unless the email the account of G Suite, the administrator has given you the rights of the teacher. So this is only the glitch here, otherwise everything is good. So need to join this Google Classroom through your own personal email ID. Once you have joined, now you need to create a class. Once you have created there, click there, you need to accept the terms. So tick it and click on the continue button. Now you need to give a class name. So I am just going to give here a name which I am teaching, the class which I am teaching. So I'm giving him the name of, that is, anatomy and physiology. So you need to create this. Now you need to create the section. The section is MLS. And so subject, you have already given the name to the class, that is anatomy and physiology. You can give the subject code to the subject, or the vice versa. So once this is completed, now this is the main thing, the room. The room means how many students or how many candidates can go into and look into this room. So like we are having classes from 60 to 120 to 180 or more than that. So it's up to you, up to how many members you need to get added into this class. I'm just here putting 60. So once you have added this, now create. And once you have clicked on the create, it will started creating your class. And now you just have to wait till the room is being made for you. See here, now this is the room which has been made. Now what are the things you can need to do? You need to add some pupil into the account. You can make the contact list by making CSV file of the all the students which you have within your record. So transfer that or import that contacts into your email ID, and from there you can select the accounts and they all will be get added here. Now the main thing is, if you are not going to add, then you can give this code to your student through any social media, whatever you are using, like WhatsApp or even through the Messenger, SMS, simple SMS. Give student this code and ask them or invite them To put this code after downloading the Google Classroom app on their Android or iPhone or on their PC through Chrome, they can add up this code to join the classroom. Okay, once that is being done, now what a teacher can do here, there are so many themes you can change here according to your class. You can even upload the photo related to your subject. Now the next thing come is, what is the use of classroom? The main use of classroom is the classwork you need to give to the students when they are still at their home. And you can monitor each and everything at your home, as we are now working from the home. So the thing is, you can create different things here just clicking by clicking on this button. So when you are creating something, what it can create assignments, it can create quiz assignment. You can send questions to the student as a question banks. You can even post material to the students, and once you have archived this classroom, you can even reuse these things, and you can even send the topic. So I'm just going to show you the other part of the my own classroom. So uh, let's do it afterward. Let's first create something. I'm just going to send an assignment to my student. So the title I am going to give to this assignment is that uh, assignment 1, explain the structure of cell, full stop. Okay, you can even add the instruction for the students, like while doing this assignment, keep the track of following points. Number 1, index, 1 mark. References, 1 mark. And the major content, 8 marks. You can do like this, or even you can add rubrics here. First, you need to put the number, that is 10. You can add the due date. So I am adding the due date by the 24th. Time is optional. You can add the topic, but it's your choice. So even rubrics, you can add the rubrics which will be helping you afterward, but this is an advance, so we will come back to it afterward. So once you have done this thing, you can add the material from where they can, like if you are sending some video and asking them to prepare an assignment after watching the video, and you are sending some quiz that watch this video and answer the quiz. So but let first send them a file for this, creating a document. Okay, and this document you can send to the students by giving it the heading, explain the structure of cell. So this is the question. Once you have done this thing, close it, and now this is the main thing. Student, you are sending this file to the student. Student can view this file, student can edit this file, or you can even send a single copy each to the single student. The copy will go to the student with his or her name, and when they are submitting their assignment on the due date, that will come to you with their name. So I'm just making a copy for each student. Once the things are being done, now you can assign the your assignment. This is assigning right now. Just wait for a minute. So the assignment is being